Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this wet dry vac, and Shop Vac was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. Now this is the EA14 C550A variant. Of course, as you know, they have a whole bunch of different models. So 14-gallon model here with the upgraded suction. 5.5 horsepower of suction in this bad boy. So I'm in my vehicle, probably a little bit of overkill for a vehicle, great for like a larger shop and stuff like that. But we'll jump in the back here in a second. I'll show you how it works. And then I've got some water back there. We'll suck it up. We'll see how that works. We'll look at the inside, check out the filters and stuff as well. All right, so as you see, we have a little bit of a mess back there. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up. So we'll hit the on button. And boom, right there, as you see, performs flawlessly, no issues at all. We do have this current attachment on there. All I gotta do to take it off is just take it off just like that. Now it's also gonna come with a few other attachments. We have the longer ones right here. You can just put these on. You got the smaller one right there for cleaning up smaller messes. You can attach another one here. And boom, there you go. You can use it for cleaning up larger messes. Now this does also include a bag right here that you can put inside of here. Works great if you're dealing with really fine particle dust. That way you ensure that nothing gets out of here. It does have a filter inside here. We'll go ahead and open that up really quick. As you see, it has the little caddy back here, which is great for being able to store your attachments as well. And then here up top, this thing here folds in and out, makes it easy to load and unload your power cord. Power cord on this is actually really, really long. And then here on this back side, this is your blower attachment. So if you want to blow, you can connect this. And if you want to have a little bit more suction, if you disconnect this, it says it'll give you the most suction. That way you're not kind of pushing up against this secondary filter. So in order to open this up really easy, we're just going to pop these locks off right there. Boom, boom. And then your top piece comes off here. And this is your primary dry filter right there. Now, in order to take this off, you're just gonna go ahead and twist this. Give it a nice solid twist on there. This will remove, and then this will slide off. There you go, just kind of work it away. Like I said, that's going to be your dry filter. If you're going to use this to suction water, you're gonna go ahead and put on your wet filter. I'll show you that here really quick. Right here it is. It's kind of just this little foam pad, and you wanna put it on here. Get it up there nice and flush. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how well this sucks up some water now. Now you can use this whenever you're cleaning up and there's a little bit of water, but if you're sucking up a lot of water like I'm about to show you, then you definitely wanna take off that dry filter and put on your wet filter. All right, so as you see, we've got some water right here. I'm gonna go ahead and suck this up. I bet it does it really fast. This thing, look at that, huge. All right, so there we go. As far as emptying this out, you should always unplug it first. So let's go ahead and unplug it. And this does just have a standard 2-prong plug on there, no ground on it. All right, so as far as emptying this out, you do have a drain down here. Also, you could take off this top and just dump it out if you wanted to. I'll go ahead and show you guys inside of here. Boom, right there you go. Now there is like a little internal float inside here, so that whenever this gets too full, it'll kind of give you like a lower tone suction noise, and that's whenever you should turn this off so that you don't damage your motor. This has a little twist lock on it, so in order to operate it, you just do like a little, I don't know, like an 1/8 turn twist, and that will pop off. And then we can just go ahead and roll this back, and then you can turn this in order to empty it. Boom, right there we go. And then tilt it a little bit. And we got just that little bit of grass that we picked up in there earlier as well. And boom, right there inside, nice and clean already. Go ahead and put our cover back on here. I'll show you how easy to put this thing back on here. Clip it and clip it. And then, like I said, everything will just wrap up here, and you'll see it just like how when I first presented it. Nice and easy to move around. makes it, you know, mobile. You take it from point A to point B really easily. And like I said, lots of suction on this, makes it great for a shop. Definitely going to be a little bit of overkill for your vehicle, but they do have a whole bunch of different models. Let me tell you, it is hot out here. It's Oklahoma. You see me pouring sweat. But yeah, great little product right here from Shopvac. Go ahead and check it out.